Hello, fellow Democrats. This is just going to be a quick introduction how to use Reach. This is the platform being used by the coordinated campaign across the state of Montana to reach voters in this election cycle to help elect people like Kathleen Williams, Steve Bullock, and Mike Cooney, among the other numerous good Democratic candidates across the state. So this is going to be a real quick introduction in how to sign up for Reach. There's also going to be a paper copy of this available as well, the step-by-step process, so you can see that right through there. So first and foremost, the first thing you need to do is you need to sign up for Reach. If you're going to be using a computer, you can go to this link right here. It will be provided to you by your coordinated campaign organizer. If you are on your phone and you'd prefer to be doing this on your phone, you can simply download the app right through there with that link, or you can search Reach Progressive Organizing in the App Store and then click download. And it's going to bring you to the exact same stuff, whichever way you go. So it's going to be on a computer. That's why I'm going to be showing you the computer version, but the phone version is going to be the exact same process. So once you get there, you're going to get to a screen that's going to look just like this. Now, step number 2 after you've downloaded the app is you need to enter your phone numbers. You'll enter your phone number in right through there. Once you have your phone number good to go, you need to click next once your number is entered. So enter it just like this format. It's going to be good to go. Make sure you have your area code entered correctly. Double check your number because they're going to be sending you a text message as soon as you get this number entered. If you don't want to do a text message, you can also have them call you, whichever is easier for you. Personally, I prefer the text message just because it's going to be a little bit quicker, but whatever option works for you is going to be good to go. Then you're going to come to this page right through here after you click next. You're going to get to this page right here. Then you need to check your phone and look for the security code that they should have sent you right now. If you don't receive your security code within about a minute, go back and try it again because you might have entered something incorrectly or something just didn't get sent. That kind of stuff will happen. So you check your security code right through there. You're going to see your security code for signing into Reach. Then you're going to enter the code just like this. After that, you're going to click Next. You're going to click Verify, and then it's going to take you to this page right through here. Now, it's going to have your information on here, but it's going to say you're not a member of a campaign. So you need to click that little plus sign, that little cross right through there, and join the campaign. Now it's going to give you an information. You're going to have to enter a code from there, and that code to join the campaign is going to be given to you by your organizer. So your organizer will give you the code to sign up for your campaign. Click join the campaign, and then you're going to get information just like this. And this is where you can begin to input that data when it comes to making phone calls and contacting potential voters across the state of Montana. There'll be a second video coming up and showing you how to actually fill in the information in just a second. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your local organizer. They'll be happy to help you on that one, or feel free to comment below on this video. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Let's keep electing Democrats across the state of Montana.